Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix camera not working on Android. So there are various things that you can do if your camera is not working on Android. The first thing that you can do is try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the software glitches. So in that case, what you have to do is long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. Once your device has been restarted, your camera should start working now. If this does not solve your problem, what you have to do is go to settings. You can see over here settings has been opened. Find the option for apps and tap on it. Now you'll be able to find the recently opened apps over here. Simply tap on the option see all apps. Now what you have to do is find the option for camera and tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the app info interface of camera. So first of all what you have to do is check the permissions. So simply tap on the option permissions. Now you'll be led to the app permissions interface. Make sure to allow the permissions like camera, location, microphone and photos and videos. For example, if any of this permission is not allowed, what you have to do is simply tap on that option. After that, tap on the option allow and go back. Now that permission will be allowed. So make sure to allow all the permissions. So the next thing that you can do is simply clear the cache of the application. In that case, find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here. Clear storage, clear cache. Simply tap on the option clear cache. Now after that the cache of your application will be cleared and your problem should be fixed and camera should start working. If this does not solve your problem, what you can do is try to check the system update. For that, go back. Now in the settings interface, what you have to do is find the option for system and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the system interface. Over here you'll be able to find the option for software update or system update. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now my version is up to date. If your system is not updated, over here you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After it has been updated, your camera should start working now. If this also does not solve your problem, the only thing that you can do is simply factory reset your phone. For that, go back. Now in the system interface, you'll be able to find the option for reset options. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to find the option for reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, reset app preferences, erase all data, factory reset. All you have to do is tap on the option factory reset. After that your device will be factory reset. After that your problem will be solved and camera will start working. So that is how you fix camera not working on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.